What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Now you guys have seen the title, so you know what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking a little bit about money and payments, and specifically payments on my 2016 Hyundai Genesis. Now I know some of you found my channel because of Fair. I started you know, my first few videos talking about how I got the car for Fair. I wanted to make this video about, you know, my payments as far as, you know, monthly, my start payment, insurance payments, things like that, because I know there are some of you guys out there who are looking to get a car easily, and you know, based on what I've talked about with Fair, you know, some of you may be looking to get it through Fair. One thing I want to say, guys, before I go ahead and reveal this, and you know, I'm actually going to show you guys in the Fair app, you know, all the numbers and everything, but before I reveal this, I do have a disclaimer, guys, that you know, these numbers, okay, these numbers are based on my situation. All right, yours might be completely different. You might have much lower numbers, you know, much higher, you know, different start payment, different monthly. It's just use it as, you know, to get an idea of what you might be paying, but you know, just know that it's definitely not going to be the same. All right, so with that being said, let me, damn, I almost broke my camera. Let me open up the Fair app here for you guys. All right, guys, so as you can see here, this is my monthly payment amount for the car. This does not include insurance, so $564.95 every month. All right, next, I'm going to move on to the down payment, or Fair calls it the start payment, that I paid for this car. And I'm actually going to show you as well how much I used to pay monthly for this car. And this monthly, you know, it went down to $564 for a reason, so we'll talk about that in a second. So in the app, I'm going to go to insurance and documents. All right, and if we scroll down to where it says Fair agreement, all right, I have to be really cautious what I show you guys in here, but right there at the top, you know, if it's too small on camera, I'll probably just display it on the screen, but right there at the top, you see my start payment says $2,710.88. This is how much I paid, you know, as a down payment. Okay, to the left, if you see, you know, if you can see those numbers, it says $689.83. This was my monthly payment before for the car, but this was with insurance through Fair. Okay, so what changed was that Fair decided that, or sorry, I should say, Fair said that their third-party insurance started charging them some more money. So they in turn had to charge the customers more money. So, you know, just for insurance, I was paying $124 a month, which was really good for me. And then when their third-party insurance did, I don't know what the hell they decided to start doing, or what were they on, but these dudes, they sent an email, started saying, you know, they wanted you to pay, or they wanted me to pay like $300 or $400 a month for insurance for this car. So yeah, that was not happening. So I decided that, you know, I was gonna get my own insurance. I went through Geico instead, and you know, Geico charges me about $220 a month. Now that is still high for insurance, but you know, my driving record has been pretty clean for like the past 5 years, but it's not a perfect overall driving record. You know, I've had some speeding tickets and stuff, but you know, anyway, that's just another story for another video. All right, guys, so that's it as far as these numbers. Like I said, your numbers, you know, if you decide to get a car for Fair, you know, your numbers are most likely going to be very different, you know, because this is based on, you know, the credit I had at the time, you know, the amount I put down. You know, I could have put down more, I could have put down less, but you know, then that starts to adjust your monthly payment. So hopefully you guys just use this as some type of guide to maybe know what you should expect if you probably, you know, going to try and get a car through Fair. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys tuning in. More videos to come, of course, and I'll see you all later, man. Peace. Hey.